Good morning. I am Dr. Shakes with your Eswatini Daily News headlines for today, and these are your leading stories. If you have a civil servant as a friend, lover, wife, or husband, keep them close these days and behave. The long wait is over as civil servants begin receiving their long-awaited reviewed salaries, sparking excitement for many after receiving their Thula Thula. In more leading stories, Minister of Education and Training Owen Nxumalo visited Macmillan in Matsapa to explore new ways of improving teaching and learning resources across Eswatini. Minister Nxumalo hailed Macmillan Education Eswatini as a key partner in the country's journey towards delivering quality and culturally relevant education, describing the company's contribution as a cornerstone of Eswatini's educational transformation. Moving to other stories, the Matapa police are investigating a gruesome murder that has sent shockwaves through the Mbuleni community after a 26-year-old man was found dead in the early hours of Sunday morning with 14 stab wounds. In sports news, Mbabane Highlanders' beloved Khayelitsha Karas Dlamini is back at Bullscroll. The former left-wing forward, renowned for his trademark stepovers and free-kick goals, returns to the club for a second stint since he quit several years ago to end his career at Manzini Wanderers. For these and more other stories, visit our website www.eswatinidailynews.com and also grab yourself a free copy on Press Reader. Have a good day.